Wrapping up Sheila Princess number 2. Ready once again. And the race is on. Solo singer was left behind. Sheila Princess fast to begin, rushing up his lovable Trisha alongside Spearless down on the inside, rushing up Alam na yan in between runners, dancing slew. It's now Alam na yan by Sam Tulangs followed by Sheila Princess. And on the outside, dancing slew by Darrell Silver Chocho. Lovable Trisha is racing in fifth by a length and a half. Then comes Fearless Rosig 1A honestly and rebounds running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Alam mo na yan by Sam 4 lengths followed by Sheila Princess. Dancing slew is racing in third by Sam 3 lengths working towards the back. Alam mo na yan, increasing its marker to about 6 lengths. Sheila Princess still running in second, dancing slew, and running in fourth, Silver Chocho, Lovable Trisha, alongside Fearless 1A, honestly, third last row 6, second last rebound, is still running at the back of the pack. Rounding the far turn, alam mo na yan by some 5 lengths. It's alam na yan by some 5 lengths, followed by Sheila Princess dancing super less lovable Trisha Silver Chocho 1A. Honestly sneaking down on the inside, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santa Ana stretch run with alam mo na yan by some 4 lengths, followed by the couple mate 1A honestly, and on the outside Fearless Silver Chocho, lovable Trisha Sheila Princess, and nearing the finish line at Shell alam mo na yan by some 5 lengths. And finally, number 1, alam mo na yan, second, close, silver, rather lovable Trisha, 1A honestly, Fearless Silver Chocho, row 6, Sheila Princess, dancing slew, and rebounds comes last.